Okay, install complete. Actually, when it is two pieces, it actually is a little bit easier to install, but you do get a small space in the middle there. I mean, microscopic space that air can go through that won't be filtered, so that is the drawback to it. But let's see how she works. See, just closed fine. Now let's shut it off. And it opens back up. It goes partially down. It should be fine. The airflow goes this way through the filter. So, all right, we've got that project done. And it's on to the air filter next. But we do have a problem with the air filter. The air filter that was sent to me, I ordered it from Amazon. It's definitely been used, or I mean, someone bought it, oiled it up, and maybe bought the wrong one, and they sent it back. There's oil on the container, on the box, and the box was ripped open. So I'm gonna take a close look at it when I open it. It should be fine, but it's an air filter, so you may want to send it back and get one that's, you know, brand new and hasn't been touched by anyone. Anyways, it's going to go underneath right here, and this is the 3.6 liter Pentastar engine. Very solid engine. They put this engine in a lot of different vehicles at Chrysler, and you do hear some complaining of some people having problems with the Pentastar. But more than likely, they did some off-roading, over-revved it, and that's why they have problems with it. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, it's a very solid engine if you take care of it and respect it. Anyways, we're going to get into this air filter. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's off.